Day 2. It's actually a little bit warmer outside. This is Cooper. He's got a little something going on in his leg that he keeps licking, so he's got the cone of shame. This is Gunner. He is nonstop. Fetch. This is what he lives and breathes. Fetch. Yep. They're my little buddies. Gonna play out here a little bit longer with these guys, and then we're gonna finish up them their grips. All right, folks. It's the second day, and we're gonna finish these suckers. I gotta do the final kind of fit up because last time on this sucker, again unloaded. Nothing in the chamber. The last fit up, these didn't quite fit in there, and it turns out, remember I was saying that those inside ones didn't really matter. They do. Here's why. There's these little lips right there that they seat into, which is important to keep the grips from bouncing around on you. You wouldn't want that. Okay, so let's get it going. Got to get this little nook in here. Okay, now that we got the final fit done, what I'm going to do is just a little hand sanding, just to get them nice and smooth. The belt sander, I don't know if you could see it, kind of there's little lines that go all throughout. They're visible to me and bug the crap out of me if I saw it on my gun. So what I'm going to do is just hand sand those suckers out, and then I guess we're going to get to staining. I think that's a good next step. And we're done. Here is the finished product. I am super pumped. I think it looks awesome. Much better than those silly rubber ones that it came with. As you can clearly see, I chose not to do the diamond pattern on the grips. I think this smooth finish is really nice, and it's plenty of grip. Plus back here is also nice and grippy too, so I don't think it needed it, and I think the smooth, it just gives it a good clean look, so I couldn't be happier. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for following along, and stay tuned for more fun